Youth workers support young people aged between 10 and 25 to reach their full potential through a non-formal approach. Youth workers will walk alongside the young people as they empower them to do things for themselves.
Mae gwaith ieuenctid yn grymuso.
Mae'n rhoi y cyfle i bobl ifanc adlewyrchu ac hefyd wneud penderfyniadau doeth ag positif.
A big part of youth work is to enable young people to feel a part of their community by empowering them to have their voices heard and to influence decisions that may affect them.
It gives young people the chance to reflect and make positive decisions.
Hi, so I believe that youth work is a special educational process adapted across a variety of settings, supporting a young person's personal, social and educational needs. Happy Youth Work Week!
I think that youth work is supporting young people to reach their full potential by helping them to develop personally, socially and educationally.
Well, what is youth work? Very, very rewarding and great fun.